Okay, this is a quick winter EDC video. I'm gonna change up my EDC, and I'm gonna start to not rotate my EDC daily like I normally do. I'm gonna try to go like and rotate my EDC like at least once every 2 weeks. So it's just personal preference, but that's what I'm doing for the winter. So first off, in all EDCs, we have our phone. So I have my HTC One. I just like this phone. We have a watch. I got a Rolex Turnograph. It's a nice watch. It's a good winter watch. It's kind of rugged. Got my car keys. I have my CRKT neck knife. I wear a neck knife every day, if you guys saw one of my older videos, and but I'm gonna just wear this one for the winter. It works really nice, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. CRKT neck knife. This is the current flashlight that I'm using. It's just Amazon.com. It's one of these Cree flashlights. I bought about 25 of them. I don't know, they're good lights. They're very bright. And they're like $5 each, or every time they pop up in my Amazon special feed, I just buy a bunch of them, and they get shipped from China, and they work good. I give them away most of the time. That's why I always have to buy new ones, because people always ask me about them, and I just give them to people. But it's, you know, they're pretty bright lights, and they're pretty nice. So it's a small flashlight. It's got a little clip on the side, so, you know, keep it attached to one of your pockets or anything like that. Wallet, I switch wallets. Instead of a big bulky wallet, I now use, I just keep my cash, and then I just keep this little pouch right here that has my credit cards that I need and my driver's license and pistol permit. So I'm not carrying a whole bunch, as much junk as I used to put in there. So that's my wallet. As far as knife goes, for the winter, or for the next couple of weeks I should say, I'm switching back to this Cold Steel Raja 2. It's just a fantastic knife, and it's a heavy duty, you know, winter knife, whatever. If you get ice or something stuck under your tire or something like that, or anywhere, you could use this to pry and chip away. It's a very heavy duty knife. I know I've been doing a lot of videos lately about my cheap knives, and I still love my cheap knives, and this is not really expensive. I guess it still qualifies as a cheap knife, but the Raja 3, actually, I don't know if I said 2. It's the Raja 3. It's a kukri style blade, and what I love about this is, you know, it's got a nice, you know, clip to go, you know, inside and hold onto your pants, but it has this wave feature for, you know, quick deployment. So you can either hold it in the traditional way, or you can hold it in the ice pick fashion, and it's a very effective self-defense knife. So if you're throwing a punch, you could do so like that. You can strike down. You can do a lot of things. I'm sure you guys know. So that's the knife choice. When we come to the guns, I've been shooting this a lot lately, so I decided I'm going to carry a little bit more than I do. It's I've done a video on it, my Beretta Tomcat. It's a great gun. It's 32 ACP, which is great for a backup, and I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7 plus 1 in the tube. If you guys haven't seen it, this is the one with the tip-up barrel. So you have 8 rounds of 32 ACP, and it's you know, it's a Beretta. It works fine. First shot is double action. Subsequent shots are single action. It has a safety on it. I never use the safety, and I use this DeSantis pocket holster to, you know, carry it in my pocket or in my jacket pocket, and of course always have an extra magazine and this little magazine pouch right here, and I got another 7 rounds right here. So that's my backup gun. And for my primary gun, I've been doing a lot of outside the waistband carry. I did a video about asking what position do you carry. A Lately I've been going to 3 o'clock position outside the waistband, and it's winter, so I wear, you know, a lot more clothes up here in the Northeast, and you could cover up outside the waistband a lot easier than I could do in the summer. So I've been carrying a larger gun, and this is my 45 caliber Remington R1 Enhanced. I don't know if I ever did a video on this one, but it's one of my favorite guns. It's a really pretty 1911 for under $1,000, and it's performed flawlessly for me. So I know Remington has had some problems in the last couple of years with their 51 and, you know, some other ones, but this one to me has worked perfectly. So I like this gun. It has just a one side safety, no ambi safety, which is perfect for me, and it's got the nice fiber optic sights on it, and it's just a fantastic gun. And I shoot it very well, which is the most important thing about any gun that we carry. Can we shoot it good? So this is certainly a gun that I could shoot well, and I carry it in this Galco holster. And so that's the gun, and this is just a separate magazine that I carry because this is 8 plus 1, so I carry 9 in the gun, and then I have another 8. So, you know, it's 17 rounds that I have with me, plus I have a backup. So, you know, I'm pretty good as far as carrying number of rounds with me. In the state I live with, I've said it a million times, but you're only allowed to have 10 rounds in the gun anyway. So, I'm a little under the radar with that one. And if you notice, I also have full metal jacket in these. And in the winter, I prefer a full metal jacket. I don't want to start a whole debate on hollow points versus full metal jacket, but in the Northeast, people are really bundled up in the winter time, and people wear a lot of layers. And I had a situation a couple of years ago. It didn't really turn into anything, but it was a confrontation, one of many that I've been involved in. And put it this way, the guys were wearing some heavy-duty clothing. I don't know if they were wearing a vest, but their layers that they were wearing, outside layers, were very thick biker leather, let's call it. And I thought about it back then. It was maybe it was 2 winters ago. And I thought about it back then, if I had a hollow point, you know, would it even penetrate the very, very thick layers that these fellas were wearing? It didn't come down to me having to shoot them, but it just something clicked in my mind. So I'm not worried about over penetration. I'm pretty positive in a self-defense situation I'm going to be within 2 or 3 or 4 feet at the most, and I'm not a reckless person. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I don't think I'm just going to spray and pray. So I'm pretty confident that I would hit my mark if I was attacked and my life was needing of being defended. So for me, I like hollow point ammo in the not hollow point, full metal jacket ammo in the winter in my carry gun. So that's just my personal thing. So anyway, quick winter EDC. And that's it. And just like to thank you all for watching, and thank you for all my subscribers for watching and commenting and liking. And I'm going to be doing a new giveaway coming up soon. I'm going to have a 500 subscriber giveaway. I still got a little ways to go, but I just broke the 400 mark, and I'm really happy about that. And I really like interacting with you guys and watching your videos and replying to your comments and seeing what you guys have out there. And I really like the YouTube world. I really met such wonderful people that it still amazes me. So anyway, just thank you for all you guys for watching my stuff, and I appreciate it. And that's my basic winter EDC. All right, thanks. And if you're not already subscribed, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.